Natasha, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about a recipe that I found on YouTube that's meant to be great for a snack. Want something scrummy but healthy. So it's broccoli with maple syrup. So let's get going. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees so that can start warming up while we start chopping up the broccoli. So broccoli has some really amazing health benefits. It strengthens your immune system, gives you healthy skin, promotes healthy hair and boosts brain power. So not only will it be amazing for the kids, but it will also be good for you too. So adding a little dash of oil and a little bit of maple syrup onto the broccoli to give it that super sweet taste and shaking it all up. Now it's time for our secret ingredient, our cumin seeds, which I'm crushing up here and then I'm sprinkling on top of the broccoli. Pop it in the oven for 20 minutes and it comes out perfect. Let's see what the kids think.
Is that nice, Dolly? Is that yummy? Yummy, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
What do you think, Amy?
I love them. I love them really, but they're like amazing. They're better than Granny Smith apples. And I love Granny Smith apples.
Is that yummy?
Yum yum.